Now let's look at lists. Now in HTML we have three types of lists: ordered list, unordered list, description lists. So let's start by looking at the ordered lists. This is how we define a ordered list in an HTML page. We use the OL tag. Now the OL tag has a opening and a closing tag, and inside the OL tag we use a LI tag for each item that we want to insert. I'll enter the names of people that I know, save it, refresh on the page, and as you can see it has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's in a list type of a format. So this is how you enter an ordered list. So if I wanted the same list to be unordered, we use the UL instead of the OL. So we say UL, and for each item we use LI. We're going to save it, refresh, and as you can see, instead of these numbers that are appearing here, we have these bullets. So description lists are a bit different from these two. You say DL, so it has an opening and a closing tag. Say DL, and then you close the DL, and inside the DL for each item you use DT. So for DT I'm going to say Tulane, close the DT, and then the definition for Tulane I will say, and then let's enter another one. Let's save this and review it in the browser. So as you can see, definition lists are quite different in that you have the first item, the definition of the first item, the second item, the definition of the second item, and so on. You use the DL, or the description list tag, as an opening and a closing tag, and then you use the DT, which is the definition term, and you use the DD, which is the definition description. Now we can customize the appearance of each of these lists by using a style attribute or type attribute for the ordered list. So we say type is equal to, inside the double quotations we say capital A, and then it changes to A, B, C, and it's uppercase. As you can see, I can use lowercase, save it, refresh, and A, B, C again, but this time it's in lowercase. I can even use the Roman characters, as you can see, or the capital, and as you can see, changes. Right, so with ordered lists, use the style attribute to style this one, and then inside the double quotations we can say list style type colon, we can say circle, save it, refresh, and as you can see it changes to these circle bullets. Or we can use square and it changes to these square bullets. Or maybe if we do not want to see any bullets, we can say none, save it, refresh, and they are gone. So this is how you would style ordered and unordered lists. So that's it for this part of this tutorial. In the next part we'll put all of these concepts that we've learnt into one practical example to build an HTML page. See you in the next tutorial.